Sethupathi. Thank you.
Hello. Hi.
Lights, please. Vijay sir, I have a question for you.
Yes. Good evening. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Yes.
The Badshah of Bollywood. Oh,
I
sorry.
think. Yo, everybody's okay.
The
No.
light is not there.
They want light.
Better? Better? Super. Okay.
Okay.
We're ready? We'll ask you this question.
Okay.
Vijay sir, the Badshah of Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan, has mentioned in a very recent interview that you're the best actor he has ever seen. What would you like to tell him?
Maybe by mistake. Everybody make mistake. I was so happy. I didn't expect that. Because I thought maybe whether he know me or not, I don't know that. But suddenly he
Too
expressed. So,
humble.
I was so shocked.
But if in case I had to ask you, how exactly do you feel to be a part of this magnanimous film? What would you have to say to our audience?
I'm so blessed. I didn't expect this, that I'll work with these legends. So I'm so happy and happy to be part of this film.
Fabulous. Can we please clap for Vijay Sethupathi, sir? Can we please? Thank
Thank
you.
you so much. Thank you.
Sir, you just have to stay on stage only. So if in case you could just stand there and we'll get all the other cast members. Thank you so much. The next person to come on stage is known as much for her talent as for her beauty. She is a skilled actress, a phenomenal dancer, a force to reckon with, the first Indian actress to be nominated for a Saturn Award, giving her excellent performances to the Telugu, Tamil, and Hindi cinema. Can we please put our hands up together for this beauty and this fab actress, Tamanna. You look absolutely fantastic today.
Thank you. So do you.
Thank you so much.
And so
I have
all you lovely people out there in the audience.
Woohoo!
Is everyone excited for the teaser? I'm super excited. Are you guys excited? Okay, lovely.
Everybody is so happy they're taking a selfie also of themselves. अरे मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. Okay. So I have to ask you a question, Tamanna. I have seen glimpses of the teaser. ठीक है? And you are doing some fantastic action sequences. Are you ready to be the generation's new action figure?
दरअसल ये फिल्म में मेरा किरदार पूरी तरह से अलग है. शायद इसके पहले जो पीरियड फिल्म मैंने की है, जो सबने बहुत ही जिसको सबने बहुत ही प्यार दिया है, बहुत ही सराहा है, उसके बाद मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि सायरा के साथ मेरा नाम जुड़ा. बिकॉज सायरा इज़ अ स्टोरी दैट पीपल शुड नो अबाउट. It's about a hero that people don't know about and should know about from the freedom fight that we've had. So बहुत गर्व होता है, बहुत खुशी है कि आज मैं इस फिल्म का हिस्सा हूँ. And I can't wait जब आप टीजर देखेंगे. I hope आपको पसंद आए. And yeah.
We're waiting for the film also. So we're waiting over here only for the release of the film also. Thank you so much, Tamanna. Can we please give a huge round of applause to Tamanna? The next person to come on stage is a leading name in the Kannada film industry, is a star with a phenomenal journey of over 2 decades, transitioning from TV to cinema. One of the few Kannada stars to successfully star in films of other languages. Can we please put our hands up together for Sudeep? Sudeep, I have to ask you this question. You being a huge star yourself, you know, how easy or tough was it for you to share screen space with such big stars, such mega stars?
Good evening. Stardom, I don't think, is for those who believe that acting is performance is not all about stardom. If you look at the poster, the biggest is right here, Mr. B. I don't think we all can cope up to anything of their achievements, and I guess sharing spaces with such wonderful people and actors from all across is the best thing that can happen to any actor.
Would you pinch yourself every day on set that I'm working on this finally?
Come
oh my
again, I
God.
didn't hear you.
Would you pinch yourself on set to believe that this is true, this is finally happening to you as well?
Every time we would look into the mirror after getting ready, it was difficult to believe it was us. so much of beard, so much of what we are not, carrying ourselves, and the costumes weighing so much of heaviness, I guess. The best part is, some days, couple of days, when the war sequences are happening, I guess, every time we met another actor, it would take a little more fewer seconds to understand who that person is. It was
Who
like
are you
that.
fighting with?
Everybody, literally ourselves later. So it's very difficult to identify people at times, with all the get-up and other things. But it was fun because it's such a magnanimous film, and I guess doesn't happen every day. So when you get an opportunity to be a part of it, I think we should just close our eyes and be a part of it.
I just have to thank you for being a part of it too. So thank you so much, Sudeep.
Thank you, ma'am.
The next person
Thank
who's
you.
going to come on stage is a member of the parliament, a major hand in giving Bhojpuri cinema pan-India recognition. With a career spanning over 3 decades, he has starred in Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, Tamil and Bhojpuri films. Can we please put our hands up together for the very, very charismatic Ravi Kishan.
हाय आई एम वेरी फाइन आई एम वेरी प्रणाम आपको सब लोगों को। कैसे हैं आप लोग? मैं अच्छा हूँ, आप कैसी हैं?
नमस्ते, मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ और आपसे ये पूछना है, आप एक प्रकार के एक मैड साइंटिस्ट हैं सर। मतलब लो बजट फिल्म, बिग बजट फिल्म, स्क्रिप्ट्स में अलग, मतलब हर चीज़, स्टोरी लाइन, प्लॉट्स, हर प्रकार का सिनेमा कर लेते हैं आप और इतनी बखूबी से कर लेते हैं आप। हाउ वाज इट वर्किंग ऑन दिस वन?
मैं थोड़ा अघोरी समझती हैं, मैं अवघड़ हूँ, तो मैं अघोरी टाइप का कलाकार हूँ। आप कहीं मैं कोई भी रूप धारण कर सकता हूँ, और आप लोग सब लोगों ने मुझे कई सालों से देखा है। 600 फिल्में कर ली, अनगिनत रूप है मेरे। थैंक यू।
अब पानी की तरह बिल्कुल, जिस भी इसमें चले जाते हैं हम बस उसका ही रूप ले लेते हैं।
आई एम जस्ट ग्रेटफुल फॉर साउथ। मैं सुरेंद्र रेड्डी सर को, ही इज़ नॉट हियर, ही इज़ माय गॉडफादर। एक फिल्म थी रेस गुर्रम, मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं साउथ में मुझे इतना प्यार मिलेगा, एंड देन दैट फिल्म वाज अ बिग हिट। देन आई वर्क विद किच्चा सर, तमन्ना जी के साथ, लवली फ्रेंड। अभी हम लोगों ने एक तमिल फिल्म की, संग तमिल विजय सेतुपति सर के साथ। अभी डे फॉर यस्टरडे वी फिनिश, लास्ट रैप अप किया उसका। सो गॉड इज़ बिन रियली काइंड, एंड मेगा स्टार के साथ ये मौका मिल गया। हम इनके बहुत बड़े फ़ैन रहे हैं। इनफैक्ट प्रतिबंध एक फिल्म आई थी, और मेगा स्टार से इतना सीखने मिला। इट्स लाइक बहुत अच्छा लगा सायरा के साथ जुड़ के।
You're always the humble one. Thank you so much for being a part of this. Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you, ma'am.
The next person coming on stage is the production designer, the man who worked on Ek Deewana Tha Shaitan David and has given us huge films in Tamil and Hindi, together close to around 50 films. A massive film with so much scale and excitement. Can we please put our hands together for the production designer of Saira Narasimha Reddy, Rajivan sir.
Hi.
I have to ask you, this is a very, very big film with lots and lots of things happening in it. It's very dynamic. I just have to ask you, sir, it must have been exciting and challenging at the same time. What was more, excitement or the challenges?
Both together.
Both together. Any one day that you would like to describe for our media, or anything that you would really like to, any anecdote which happened on sets?
One thing I would say, I slept for about 2 weeks after the shoot. The complete shoot, yeah.
Straight up. My God, that's fabulous. That is Rajivan sir, the production designer of Saira Narasimha Reddy. Can we please clap for him? Thank you very much, guys. Bringing together the next person on stage. A musical genius who brought new sound to Indian cinema, one of the most versatile talents in the country, a national award-winning musician. This man has definitely made a mark. His name is, can we please put our hands up together for Amit Trivedi? Now you have to like pose because now you're a model, full model. Now start posing in like all the kind of model poses that there are. You have worked so hard on your body, you worked so hard on your music, you worked so hard on this film also. Now what was the challenge of composing music for a film which is going to be released in 5 different languages?
Good evening, first of all. This is actually my debut in Telugu cinema. It's
Exactly.
my first film in that regional language, and I can't be more happy and proud that I've been part of such an amazing film where we have such amazing star cast, amazing producers, Chiranjeevi sir, Ram Charan sir. It's such an honor to be part of this amazing film and the journey. The challenge, of course, the challenge is only the language. Music has no language, as we all know. Only the language of understanding things, but the director, the writers, they made it so easy and simple for me that I understood. They made sure that I understood each and everything before I got going.
We're looking forward to the music, Amit Trivedi, with every film that you get associated with. So thank you so much for creating magic that you do create.
Thank you so much.
Can we please clap for Amit Trivedi once again? And can we please put our hands up together for a filmmaker known for his unique spin to the simplest of stories. He has delivered only the best through his journey. He actually creates extravagant films in the action space, which gives him an edge because he understands the audience too well. Can we please put up our hands together for the man who actually directed this mad big film, Surinder Reddy.
Good afternoon, everyone.
You have been a little nervous, but we are nervous. How did you even manage all these people together? Such a big star cast together.
Yeah, I'm a little bit nervous, so I can't speak much.
That's absolutely okay. We are glad that you gave us this film. And I just have to ask you that, putting together with so many talents in one film, was it difficult at all, or did you manage pretty well?
No, I don't difficult. I manage it very well. So, because all artists cooperate very well. So, मेरा पीछे producer है, मेरा hero चिरंजीवी sir है. So that's why I did this film.
बस आप सेट पे आते गए और काम होता गया.
Yeah.
Beautiful. The humble, मतलब इतने humble हैं. This is something that we have to learn from the entire Telugu film industry. You guys are so modest and humble. We just learn to become better human beings and get good films. So that's a win-win situation. Can you please clap for Surinder Reddy, guys?
Thank you, thank you,
Thank
thank
you. Can we please put our hands up together for a director, an actor, and most importantly, a producer whose sheer motivation is to bring subtle, sometimes not so subtle, beautiful stories to the audience. He always receives critical and mass acclaim. This man does not know how to stop. This man does not want to stop. Thank God he does not want to stop. Can we please put our hands up together for Farhan Akhtar? Farhan, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
You have been working so hard, and you've been working so hard to bring good things to us. I have to ask you this question that, you're crossing cultural boundaries with this film. What exactly went in your mind? Was it planned, or did you think that this is going to come to you and we'll wait for the right opportunity, the right film?
Well, of course, the right opportunity did present itself with this film. But I think more importantly, when I was growing up, I grew up on a very healthy diet of movies that were not just Hindi movies. My mom had a great collection of movies that were from all different parts of the world in different languages. And you get to learn something about different cultures, about different identities. And when you watch those films, and I do feel that right now, the world, the way it is, we're in a place where there seems to be a growing number of boundaries being put up. So it's nice that people in art and people in film are tearing boundaries down and exchanging films and exchanging creative and cultural ideas.
Thank you so much, Farhan. Thank you so much. Can we please call upon the next person, an inspiring entrepreneur, an exceptional producer. He takes risks. He plunges to bring us films that are etched in our memories forever. Dil Chahta Hai completed 18 years a couple of days ago. Of course, Farhan was also responsible for it. But this man was also responsible, and he had his birthday. So belated happy birthday to Ritesh Sidhwani. Can we please...
Very nice. Thank you.
What a gift that you're giving us instead of receiving one yourself.
Sorry, I didn't get
What
that.
a gift you're giving us instead of receiving one yourself.
Thank you.
Well, I have to ask you, Ritesh, too many successful films. There's too much success riding on your shoulders. You're working too hard for giving us all these stories, Now, I want to ask you, was it the mega star scene which was there in this film that made you say yes to this film, or was it the sheer subject?
To be honest, it was purely on that line when Ram sent us the link of what the film was, and it was a story of an unsung hero, forgotten hero of this country, based on a true life. So I think that attracted us the most to it. And then I saw some parts of the film, and I was really moved by what it was. And that's when we decided that this is a story which should be even, told here and, share it with the audience in this part of the country as well.
Ready to inspire the entire generation once again. Thank you so much, Ritesh.
Thank you.
Can we please call upon one of the biggest stars of India? Well, before that, can we please call upon? So, you know what? We go to theaters and we watch movies. Of course, the movies are made by directors and the entire production, and then there's the cast and everything. And then these movies are etched in our memories. But how do we get the movies? Because of distribution. Please call upon this man who's been distributing films that we have managed to keep with us very, very close to our heart. Anil Thadani on stage. Forward, thank you very much. Hates the limelight. Anil sir, I have to ask you this question. Well, first of all, good afternoon. Thank you so much for giving us this film. Also, you are distributing Saho, and then there's another monster that you're presenting, which is Saira Nasrima Reddy. Are you a risk taker? मतलब आग में हाथ डालने में मजे आते हैं या फिर what exactly is the scene?
So I don't think it's too much of a risk, because with the kind of scale and the budget that these films have had, and they have ample amount of commerce in them, they generally turn out to be good at the box office than not. And I think the risk is actually taken by the producers who invest so much of money, and hats off to them to putting in so much dedication and the financial risk that they take. I think it's hats off to them.
Well, thank you so much for distributing it and presenting it to us again, and being very humble and kind about that also. So can we please put our hands up together for Anil Thadani? The next person who's going to come on stage is one of the biggest stars of India, following the mega star dad's footsteps into filmdom, but marking a mark of his own. He has actually tried to get bigger things done for his father. It's time to please put our hands up together for this sensational star, Ram Charan. Can we?
Hello, everyone. It's definitely not the same. The man is completely different once he puts his makeup on. That is, in few minutes, he completely transforms. And because I can't handle that man once he's on makeup, I keep my sisters at home. He's better off handled by the women of the house.
Thank you so much for producing this film and bringing it to us. And I have to ask everybody to put your hands up together for this man who has defined an era of Telugu cinema, massive influence on an entire generation of film personalities and cinegoers together, taking the audience into visual treats every time he came on screen, a man of the masses in the true sense of it. Coming back to cinema after almost a decade, keeping the audience still in awe through his style, skill and charisma, a mega star then, a mega star now, a mega star forever. Can we please put our hands up together for Chiranjeevi sir?
Thank you.
I have to say you're just looking younger by the minute, and it is, I don't know what you do, we don't know, we don't even want to know that. So I'll just get into the drill, I'll just get into the questions. What did it take to become Saira Nasrima Reddy?
It is an untold story about an unsung hero. So I want to bring this content to pan-India, because all the Indians should know about Narasimha Reddy. It was lying with me, this story, since almost 1.5 decades. Because of the budget constraints, I couldn't dare to make this movie. Now Charan and Saya, Surendra Reddy. They came forward to make this movie at pan-India level. I'm so happy, finally, my dream came true.
Sir, after 10 years, you're coming back to the film industry. After 10 years, you're coming back into a film. And the Hindi audience is also going to get a glimpse of the superstar, the mega star that you have. What message would you like to give to the Hindi audiences?
Yeah, this is a story every Indian should see. That's what I told. And I feel it is my responsibility to bring this story at India level. And since I have the beautiful content with me, I thought this is the best time to come to Bollywood as well as all other Indian languages. So Narasimha Reddy made me to come back again into this pan-India.
We're just happy, sir. That's all I have to say. We're very glad, very happy, ecstatic for the release of the film. We are going to ask this massive star cast and the producers to just take a tiny seat over here so that we can show the teaser to the entire media. And then, of course, open the questions. You will be able to take questions. You will be able to take pictures after also. So we'll see the preview, and then after that, we'll do the photo op.
Let's go.
So if you could...
I don't know why this gap has come, because I don't get any proper content to come back again. So that might be the reason. And then of late, I stopped film acting and I went to politics. Yeah. So for 10 years I was there. And again, in 2017, 16, I started working. So I thought with this film, I should come back to Bollywood. So that's the reason.
It's great to have you back, sir. Farhan, sir, my question is to you. And first of all, congratulations for presenting another epic movie after KGF.
Thank you very much.
So my question to you, sir, it's the film is releasing on 2nd of October, and along with your friends, Hrithik Roshan's War. So what's your take on that?
Well, there's also Tiger Shroff, who's my friend.
Yeah,
Aditya Chopra
yeah,
who's my friend.
sure.
So let's call all my friends. No? But the fact is that, I think now we should go beyond this whole thing of like 2 films cannot release on a day. I think there's enough screens, there's enough of an audience for 2 films to release on a day and do well. The people who have made that film are absolutely happy with the film that they've made. I'm sure it's a great film. We wish them all the best, as I'm sure that they wish us. And we just hope that the audiences will go in and see both films. That's what we can hope for. I don't look at it in any other way beyond that.
Here at the center. Hi. My name is Ankita and I'm from Republic. First of all, amazing teaser and I got goosebumps. So congratulations to all the team for that. My question to you is, Chiranjeevi ji, aapse. 2 mega stars together coming for the first time, Chiranjeevi ji and Amitabh Bachchan together. How was it on the sets? Too much of talent flowing, I can say?
He is my real life mentor, and it happened even in the film. And I feel there is only one and only megastar, that is Amitabh Bachchan. That is nobody's
That's so easy.
near to him. So I don't consider, but thank you. You mentioned that. And working with him is an amazing experience. So I'm really indebted to him a lot, because just I asked when my director wanted him to be my guru in this film. So that character is a special character. So he insisted me, if it is Amitabh Bachchan, nothing like that. I said, I try. I just called him. I want to talk to. No, tell me please what you want. I want you to be in my film. Ramcharan is making this Saira, and it's a wonderful subject. And I want you to be my guru character. It's a special character. Maybe maximum 1 week time will take. He said immediately, Chiranjeevi, you don't ask anything, you never ask anything. Since you are asking, I said, I'll say yes. And he, so great. And immediately he responded. He said, send your team to me. I want to discuss the rest of the things. And I sent director and other people, I said them. And immediately he said yes. I'm so happy, really, my heartfelt thanks to the Indian megastar, Amitabh Bachchan ji.
Thank you so much, sir. I think it'll be a treat to watch both of you together. Thank you.
Hi, Ritesh. Ritesh here. There's a question for you. you got us, you guys got us KGF, and you presented the entire film in a grand way, and now you guys are part of this grand film. So what's the selection process? How do you guys select, these films? And secondly, will we see you producing a South Indian film, a collaboration, in a big way with Hindi film actors, and this some presenting in a much grander way?
Like I said, firstly, I think the content, when Charan, Anil spoke to us, and Charan had this idea of, taking the film beyond just the South market and the South languages. I saw the trailer and like the teaser, which you're seeing now. I think it's a story which was of an unsung hero. It's like the first rebel against the British set in the 18th century. So I really liked what I saw. And then he took me through, I had not seen the film at that point. He took me through what the film was, and I saw various portions of it, and I was completely like in love with it. And I said, okay, this is something we should do. And I was glad that he, chose us to actually present the film. So it worked the other way. After seeing the material, we were really hopeful that he'll say that you guys should present it. So thank you. But that was there. And yes, why not? If we get a script and we can collaborate on a film which right from the script level, rather than just coming on, we are completely open to that.
Hi, Farhan. On your left. Hi. Hi, Faridun from Barunangama. So Farhan, you're saying that there are enough screens that we have. See, we are having around 5,000 screens for Hindi, and you've experienced it with Rais and...
Right, I think your question is very detailed. You should ask Anil Thadani this question.
Okay, I think I can ask both of you and Ritesh as well. I think Anil Thadani can answer as well. So the idea is that even with Rais and Kabil came together, so there was a day when I think you guys had around 26 crores in a day, and it was running to capacity. If there were more screens, you could have done more business. We've seen it in Mission Mangal and Batla House. Mission Mangal Sunday was extraordinary, but if more screens were there, the business would have been higher. So what efforts do you think should be done to just raise the number of screens, because China is way ahead of us and we are just not doing enough maybe?
You have multiple questions in your first question, huh? So we'll have to think.
And you've also answered it in your question.
No, but I think ultimately you guys will have to take the initiative. We can say, but the initiative has to come from you guys.
See, regarding the theatres, you're absolutely right. It is something we've, when we went and met our government recently, just before the elections, and when the GST issue was there, and we went and spoke to them, and I think they have understood what happens with cinemas, and what, especially in your rural towns, because there are, either we are over-screened in Mumbai city and Delhi, where you'll have more screens, and there are a lot of places where we don't have screens. So I think they've understood that. And like China, like you're absolutely right, China and India were on par till 2011 when we had the same average number of screens for the population, and they have obviously grown a lot. So I think, yes, there is a plan in place, but again, when you are talking about Rais, or you're talking about Kabil, which released the same day, I think both were good films. If somebody went and saw Kabil on Thursday, they went and saw Rais the next day. So it's not that I did not get tickets and there was one box office you mentioned was 25 crores and the other was... I think as long as both films are something which they want to watch, they'll go and watch it. It's not that because I've seen one, I won't see the other. Right? So I don't think we have that issue of worrying. Like even what Farhan said earlier, both will be good films. People will want to watch both. I mean, I'm sure you must have gone to in a week and watched 2 movies, right? You wouldn't only go to one film if they were there.
It's also accessibility. Many a times people want to watch it, but the cinema screens are not, especially in the smaller cities, as you've rightly said.
Yeah, but you can go next day.
The cinema screens are less. They're not enough cinema screens maybe, and because of that, people are unable to see it.
I think they'll watch it the next day, and if it's not available on that screen, I'm sure it'll be available. It's not that it's never happened that in the same town or in the same pin code, you'll not find another screen. I don't think that's ever happened. So it's at the most will be a little more of effort. And I think if the movie is that exciting, you'll put in that little extra effort till we can have more screens like China, right?
So Mr. Thadani, you'd like to say something to that?
So I think the capacities actually come into play only for that one day, which is a holiday. The rest of the weekdays, there is ample room for 2 or maybe even 3 films to survive. So yeah, but if there were more screens, it would be better. So I think that's for the exhibitors to answer that question.
Who's next? Sure.
congratulations to the entire team. The trailer is superb. It looks fantastic. My question is to Tamanna. Tamanna, how does it really feel to be on the center and among all the great men? You have been quite lucky to do Bahubali, now such a big film again. What's your experience?
I'd really like to first of all thank Suri sir, Surinder Reddy, who's sitting here. मैं इनके साथ इसके पहले काम कर चुकी हूँ and जब भी उन्होंने मुझे किसी भी किरदार के लिए बुलाया है हमेशा कुछ अलग करने के लिए बुलाते हैं and for me it was always a dream since I entered the South Indian film industry कि कब मैं चिरंजीवी सर के साथ काम करूँगी and वो इस फिल्म से पूरा हो रहा है I can't ask for more because जब एक टीज़र में एक अपना ऐसा शॉट देखती हूँ तो लगता है अगर ये ही एक शॉट होता मेरा फिल्म में तो भी मेरे लिए काफ़ी है तो thank you Chiru sir for making me a part of this film. It's extremely special and Charan I've worked with him. He's put in his heart and soul to see this project come to life and get everything that it needs. I also would really like to mention Shushmita, who has done the costumes for the film. हमने काफ़ी काम किया हर एक लुक के लिए. She's sitting right here. She's really जब मैं मिरर में देखती थी तो मुझे लगता था कि हाँ this is Lakshmi. So that's what she made me feel on the set and मेरा अपना किरदार निभाना बहुत आसान हो गया क्योंकि मैं पहले ही लक्ष्मी जैसे दिख रही थी तो फिर on set I felt like Lakshmi and yeah each and every one who's a part of the film. I worked with Vijay, रवि सर के साथ कभी काम हमने काम किया नहीं, हमने कभी काम नहीं किया साथ में किया है नहीं इनको इतने बार देखा कैसे लग रहा है कि इनके साथ भी काम किया है
हमने मुझे शायद पहले
बहुत पहले So it's just such a huge cast and thank you guys, you made this possible. I think for getting this film, presenting it to the Hindi audiences, who better than you guys to bring this really amazing story out there to the Hindi audiences. So yeah, I mean it's like a dream come true.
Yeah, Farhan and Ritesh, after KGF, you become more confident, after success of KGF, you become more confident to bring more regional film to Bollywood.
No, it's not really a question of more or less confidence. I mean, you eventually believe in what it is that what you have lying in front of you. So the way this film has been put together, just really the vision behind it is something that gives us a lot of confidence. And the belief that the core team has in the film, the way that they really have cut no corners in presenting it and making it an absolutely riveting, entertaining piece for the viewers, that gives you confidence. So it's not about what you've done before, what you're going to do in the future. It really is about just this film.
Hi Ram. Firstly, kindly walk us through your character in the film, and secondly, why are you shying away from Hindi films? We want to see you in Hindi films. What's the reason for that?
Hi. My part is just being a producer. I have not done anything apart from that. I want to take the opportunity to thank all this great stars cast we had put together. It wouldn't have been possible if it's not my dad and the love they have for him, and they wanted to be part of this journey, which is his dream project, and they all recognize that, and it is very kind of all the artists here to help me and put this cast together. And secondly, I've not shied away. I'm not really, like Dad said, it's all about the content. Coming with the right content matters a lot, end of the day, for any actor. And hopefully next year, I'm coming back with Rajmouli Garu's next project after, right now we're shooting for that. Hopefully that will be my comeback, RRR.
Wow, best wishes for that. And Sudeep, you are working with, you're working with this film with so many megastars, and this is a grand film which is coming next month, and then you will be having Dabangg 3 with Salman Khan. So this year is like a superstar year for you.
You said it yourself. So I guess made my answer easy. One is we should always be lucky to be a part of a fraternity like film industry, which showcases us in different parts where we do not actually belong. Second, connection to such people whom we have seen growing up. Wonderful. I mean, it's and as I said, properties are one side in Saira. Actors are also equally as many as properties. So many, you know. Actually, I don't know whether there were any kind of vanity vans or any cars left in Hyderabad when we went. There are certain times in this particular set, sir. Set was only very small one. I mean, of course, after the extension, it will be much bigger. But we had to pass a huge traffic to reach there from the gate, you know. That was something by itself, you know, where we are heading. So, you know, kind of you start getting mentally prepared where we are going. And once you go there, I guess the platform, the producers, and especially Ram, I mean, he's an actor himself, I guess, and if somebody should have a son, they should have like him, you know, who can make his father's dream come true to such an extent. It is lovely, sir, to be called. Yeah, we all have our own platforms where we belong, but stepping out of that, coming here, doing something because somebody else needs you, and trying to be submissive towards somebody's dream is much more fulfilling than what we dream ourselves. Same thing goes with Dabangg 3 also. So I guess it's been a beautiful thing that you're wanted everywhere and you're called.
Here.
How are you? Live away, early 90s. So till 2007, I was in the film field only. So after that, I stopped acting. Again, I entered 2016. In this 10 years' time, lot of change I have seen in the films. And when I'm leaving, there was a negative and positive, clapboard and all these things. Nowadays, there's no such things are existing. So I felt when I was doing my 150th film as a newcomer doing the first film. It was a different atmosphere, a different scenario, even at the time of exhibitions. I mean, in the theaters also. Totally, film has gone, projectors have gone. And that could change, but the content, the sentiment, it doesn't change at all. I trust the emotion of the film, the soul of the film carries from ages to even now, and it goes on like that. That change I didn't find. Only physical appearance, physical changes I have seen, but not the content. Oh, that's good.
No, sir, not at all.
I
No. I'm in talk with one movie, but I don't have any idea. Seriously, I don't have any idea. Thanks.
आप सभी से एक सवाल करना चाह रहे थे कि हिंदी साउथ का सिनेमा और बॉलीवुड हमेशा अलग अलग रहा है और अलग अलग ऐसा क्या बदला है अब कि वो जो दीवार थी वो टूट गई. What has changed? लोगों का नज़रिया या लोगों को प्रेजेंट करने का वो नज़रिया क्या बदला है कि ये जो दीवार थी साउथ और बॉलीवुड के फिल्मों में ये टूट गई है अब.
Sorry, is your question to anybody in particular or?
Anyone can answer, like you can answer from Bollywood.
Okay, so I mean, to be honest, I didn't know of any such wall or diwar which was there between these two industries. Since the time we started making movies, जब दिल चाहता है बनाई our first film, we personally thought that time people used to tell us, यार आप लोग ने जो film बनाई ये बहुत it's ahead of its time. उस time India में कोई multiplexes नहीं थे. So, but we believed in that story, we identified with it, and so we made that film. So I don't know about, then a few years later you start hearing that language is not a barrier anymore. So within our own country, and I don't consider it South or Bollywood, those are not, it's one fraternity, it's one industry, it's one nation, it's one country. So the films are one. And when we don't have boundaries for language globally, why should it exist here? Right? And I think we are all here to tell a good story in any language.
Precisely,
So,
that's what I'm saying. They used to be there earlier also, now also. When you come and say, ki South, say we have this coming. So that's what my question is that, what is changing? Like, is the mindset changing, or the way of telling stories is changing?
Ma'am, I also think that it's a question of curiosity from the audience. I mean, as far as talent is concerned, and I don't mean only acting talent, I mean even music talent and technical talent, there constantly has been an exchange between industries. People from Bollywood have gone and acted or worked in South films. People from the South have come and worked in Hindi films. So that's been happening all the time. Maybe with the fact that there is more space for people to experience content right now, there is a hunger for wanting to see more and more things. And that has created a certain curiosity, I guess, to know what is happening in different markets within our country itself. So it's an interesting time, and it's good that this should happen. We should constantly be exposed to other cultures, to other people's ideas, to other creativity. You'll get to constantly learn something from somebody else's passion for their work. And the audiences will always be entertained if the work is good. So that's how I see it. But it is, I think, the fact that there is a hunger for content, which over time, because of avenues of consuming it having increased, that I feel that what you're seeing now, that there's more exchange happening between industries.
Hi, towards your left. Here. Ankita from Republic again. My question is to the captain of the ship, Mr. Suren Reddy. First of all, films like KGF, films like Bahubali have set a benchmark. Was it a challenge and a responsibility for you to, make this film a notch higher?
It's a challenge for me.
And of course, having an ensemble cast and mega stars like Chiranjeevi ji and Amitabh Bachchan ji, how was it on the sets?
Yeah, I feel they're very comfortable for me. Though they create so comfortable everything. So that's why I'm easy to work. Legends like, these are all big legends for me. So I'm happy to everyone because this much big project, they give it to me. So thanks to everyone.
Congratulations for the teaser. Sir, my question is now to Ravi Kishan ji. पहले तो आपका look ही काफ़ी different लग रहा है sir. आपसे मेरा जो question है, एक तरफ अमिताभ बच्चन जी हैं, एक तरफ चिरंजीवी जी हैं. क्या कुछ सीखने को मिल गया आपके पास दो मेगा स्टार्स से? आपकी तो लॉटरी लगी.
बहुत अच्छा. एक तो इन लोगों के साथ ये लोग स्कूल हैं. ये लोग मतलब है ना, ये लुक एट हिम, ये स्कूल हैं लोग. ये वो टाइम पे नी पे डांस करते थे जब नी पैड्स नहीं था. इनके घुटने टूट गए हैं. ये लोगों ने वो टाइम पे वो मोमेंट्स दिखाया था हम लोगों को जो हम लोग सोच नहीं सकते थे. ही इज दैट मेगा स्टार. In 90s and 80s where there were nothing, there were no comforts. Now you get pads. Now तो हम लोग तो गिरते हैं तो हम लोग को we have everything to fall on. ये लोग गद्दे पे गिरते थे, बक्से पे गिरते थे. ये वो स्टार्स हैं. ये लेजेंड्स हैं. They are legends. अगर इनके साथ हम पीछे तलवार लेके भी खड़े हैं तो उसी में हम लोग मोक्ष मिल जाता था, तृप्त हो जाते थे. It was एक, yeah, like I'm just standing behind you with my sword. It's like a moksha for me. More than enough. So few lines. I'm playing a Basi Reddy, my character. और ये बहुत बाकी आप लोगों को सरप्राइज करेंगे हम. बहुत अद्भुत सा हम सिगार पिए हैं इसमें. So yeah, तो बड़ा मज़ा आएगा. मुझे बड़ा छिपा के रखे थे ये लोग. मैं बड़ा आप लोगों को सरप्राइज करूँगा जैसे अक्सर करता हूँ हर फिल्म में. अचानक एक बम फोड़ देता हूँ. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, happy birthday.
22nd.
अच्छा birthday. 2 दिन बाद. अच्छा.
Thank you. minimum 1 hour it used to take, and that's it. Yeah, that is the toughest job at this point of time. No, see, Ram Charan, this Director Surendra, everybody made me to work hard. So I thought, while going through the subject hearing, at the time of hearing, I thought, yeah, duplicate, the body double will take care. Now technology is available, so they can morph it or do something. But literally, these guys, they didn't compromise. They made me to fight. And I had already bad shoulder. I got operated, some rotator cuff problem to my shoulder. Even then, they made me to do with a sword fight, horse riding and everything I did myself at this point of time. Not fair, but always I'll feel happy when doing hard work. So I'll cherish it. So really I enjoyed doing this film. And even Surekha, my wife, the presenter of this movie, she was telling me one day, so by 7 o'clock we started first shot. And at the time, morning by 4:30, I had to get up, do my workout for 1 hour, and then getting ready and everything. So she has seen me, and one day she is telling, don't do like this. Why? I said, you are getting bad name to my son, Ram Charan. He said, you are going such a maintaining timing. The guys, they go half an hour this way or that way, and don't be so punctual. My son is getting bad name, she said. I'm just lighter side of it, I'm telling. So I enjoyed working this movie again. And really, now I could see the result of it. Definitely, people will cherish this and they'll give me best. Yeah, I mean, voice over, you mean to say, or my character? My character. Somebody is doing.
No, sir. Hello?
Well, teaser, for teaser.
No. Both Rajni sir and Mohanlal sir are not doing. They might just, Mohanlal sir is only presenting. He's giving a voice over.
Voice over Malayalam.
That's all.
Mohanlal is giving.
Not the
and
voice.
Telugu, my brother Pawan Kalyana, he has given. And other languages, we are requesting other stars. They might mobilize, yes. Pardon?
No, sir.
No.
This
Kamal willing to do that. I requested him. He said, okay, now he's not feeling well. But finally, in the film, initial intro and the conclusion will be, these stars' voice over will be there. So they will tell, and that's it.
This is the last question. Thank you so much for all your questions, and thank you so much for coming here. Thank you so much for bringing this film to us, this entire ensemble which is there on stage right now. Can we please have the photo op? And can we please come forward? I'll just take the mic.